KTM has introduced the 250 Duke in the India priced at 1,73,000 Indian rupee ex-showroom, Delhi. The new KTM 250 Duke borrows its styling cues from the new KTM Duke 390, albeit with a host of changes. The full LED headlamp has been replaced by a conventional-looking unit with a halogen bulb and integrated LED DRLs. The other differentiator is the new black wheels on the Duke 250, while the graphics incline towards white on this one. The 250 Duke comes with a 248.8 cc, single-cylinder, 4-stroke, DOHC Fuel Injection engine that delivers a maximum power of 30 bhp at 9,000 revolutions per minute and a maximum torque of 24 Nm at 7,500 revolutions per minute. Paired to a 6-speed manual transmission. Mileage of 250 Duke in highway is 41 km per litre and in city it is 35 km per litre. Front brake is 300 mm disc and rear brake is 230 mm disc. Top speed of the bike is 131 km per hour. Suspension duties are done by WP upside-down fork at front and WP monoshock at rear. Curb weight of the bike is 153 kg and seat height is 830 mm. Wheelbase of the bike is 1,357 mm and ground clearance is 185 mm. Overall length of the bike is 2,050 mm, overall width is 730 mm and overall height is 810 mm. The bike also rides on the MRF Revz tires of size 17-inch alloys. Fuel tank capacity is 13.4 litres. Fully digital instrument cluster includes speedometer, tachometer, fuel guage, low fuel warning and gear indicator. The 250 Duke also comes with a slipper clutch, but does not get adjustable levers. The wider mirrors and soft seats are available. KTM 250 Duke available in orange and white shades.